What's inside an armadillo shell? Well, I thought they were like turtle shells. Inside, you can see the ribs that have grown long, expanded, and fused together to form the shell. Armadillo shells must be made the same way. Oh, never mind. Armadillo shells aren't like turtle shells. Because, watch closely. Here are the armadillo's ribs. They aren't connected to the shell, so they don't fuse together to form the shell like a turtle's ribs do. Instead, look at this baby armadillo's skin. Do you see those little bumps? Inside those bumps are tiny bones.